I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Chat and signing in with your Google account. Do that now. Once signed in, make sure notifications are enabled so messages arrive in real time. If you plan to call or share screens, grant microphone and camera access and confirm your network is stable. Also, verify your profile name and display picture so contacts recognize you. This first set of actions gets you into the app correctly and prevents basic permission or connectivity problems later. Next, compose messages and decide whether you need a direct chat, group conversation, or a room for ongoing work. Click New Conversation to add participants and send a quick message. For projects, create a room and assign a clear topic so everyone knows the purpose. Use threaded replies to keep related messages grouped under the original post, which reduces clutter. Once set, pin important messages, add files from Drive, and mention teammates with @ to draw attention to specific items. To finish, initiate voice or video calls using the call icon and share your screen when presenting. This helps everyone see the same content. Attach Drive files directly into chat or generate a Meet link for larger discussions, and set message priority or do not disturb when needed. If something breaks, like messages failing to send, check your online status, update the app, or clear the cache. Restarting the browser or app often resolves lingering permission or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.